Let's now continue with our practice problem number 7. Number 7, a washing machine is purchased at 18,200 pesos and sold for 19,800. Find the absolute profit. Find the profit percentage. So you're given CP 18,200, SP 19,800. Require the absolute profit and the profit percentage. So solution, profit is equal to 19,800 minus 18,200, and the answer for absolute profit is 1,600. Using the profit percent, the absolute profit divided by the cost price, and the calculated value is 8.79%. Number 8, a pair of shoes was bought at 2,400 and sold at 2,760. Calculate the profit in pesos and calculate the profit percentage. So we're given CP 2,400, SP 2,760, required the profit in pesos and profit percentage. So using the formula for profit, the selling price minus the CP, substituting the given data, the answer is 360 pesos. And to you obtain the profit percent, it is the profit divided by the cost price, substitute the given data and the calculated data. So the answer is 15%. Number 9, a refrigerator was bought at 28,000 pesos and sold at 31,360. What is the profit in pesos? What is the profit percentage? So given CP 28,000, SP 31,360, require the profit in pesos and profit percentage. So solution, the formula for profit is SP minus CP. Substitute the given data, the absolute profit is 3,360, and the profit percent is the cost divided by the profit divided by the cost price. Substitute the data times 100%, and the answer is 12%. Number 10, a rice cooker costs a shop 2,150 pesos and is sold for 2,365. Find the absolute profit. Also find the percentage profit. So we're given CP 2,150, the SP ay 2,365. Required absolute profit and the percentage profit. So solution, the profit will be SP minus CP. Substitute the given data. The absolute profit is 250. To get the proper percentage, that's equivalent to the profit divided by the cost price times 100%, and that's equivalent to 10%. MCQ for lesson 11, calculating profit in both absolute and percentage terms. Number 1, profit is defined as A, the amount of money gained after subtracting costs from selling price. Letter B, the amount of the total amount paid for goods. Letter C, the difference between markup and discount. Letter D, the price at which an item is purchased. Number 2, which formula represents absolute profit? Letter A, selling price minus cost price. Letter B, selling price plus cost price. Letter C, selling price times cost price. Letter D, cost price minus selling price. Number 3, if the selling price is 1,200 pesos and the cost price is 1,000 pesos. The absolute price is A. 100 pesos, B. 200 pesos, C. 300 pesos, D. 400 pesos. Number 4. The formula for calculating percentage profit is A. Profit divided by cost price times 100%. Letter B. Selling price divided by profit times 100%. Letter C. Cost price divided by selling price times 100%. Letter D. Profit divided by selling price times 100%. Number 5. If the cost of an item is 800 pesos and it is sold for 1,000 pesos, what is the percentage profit? Letter A, 10%, B, 20%, C, 25%, D, 30%. Number 6. A merchant bought a bag for 1,500 pesos and sold it for 1,950 pesos. What is the profit? Letter A, 350 pesos. Letter B, 400 pesos. C, 450 pesos. D, 500 pesos. Number 7. Which of the following will always result in profit? A. Selling price is less than cost price. Letter B. Selling price equal to cost price. Letter C. Selling price is greater than the cost price. Letter D. Cost price is greater than the selling price. Number 8. If an item costs 2,500 and the profit made is 500 pesos, what is the percentage profit? Letter A, 10%. Letter B, 15%. Letter C, 20%. Letter D, 25%. Number 9. If the cost price of a phone is 12,000 pesos and it is sold for 14,400 pesos, what is the profit percentage? Letter A, 15%, B, 18%, C, 20%, D, 25%. Number 9. A shirt was bought at 400 pesos and sold at 500 pesos. The profit percentage is A, 15%, B, 20%, C, 22%, D, 25%. Number 11. A seller makes a profit of 300 pesos when selling a product at 1,500 pesos. What is the cost price? A, 1,100, B, 1,200, C, 1,300, D, 1,400. Number 12. If the profit percentage is 25% and cost price is 800 pesos, what is the selling price? A, 900 pesos, B, 950 pesos, C, 1,000 pesos, D, 1,200 pesos. Number 13. A laptop costs 30,000 pesos and is sold with a profit of 10%. What is the selling price? Letter A, 31,000 pesos. Letter B, 32,000 pesos. Letter C, 33,000 pesos. Letter D, 34,000 pesos. Number 14. Which of the following correctly expresses the relationship between selling price, cost price, and profit? SP is equals to CP plus profit. Letter B, CP is equals to SP plus profit. Letter C, SP is equals to CP minus profit. And then the profit, letter D, profit is equals to SP plus CP. Number 15. A merchant sells a table for 4,000 pesos, making a 20% profit. What is the cost price of the table? A. 3,200. B. 3,300. C. 3,400. D. 3,500. The answer key for lesson 11. Please proceed to lesson number 12. Answer key for lesson 10, calculating value-added tax, is as follows. Number 1, B, 1,440 pesos. Number 2, B, 25,200 pesos. Number 3, A, BAT is equals to price times BAT rate. And then number 4, letter B, 30,000 pesos. Number 5, A, 1,800 pesos. Number 6, B, value-added tax exclusive price equal to BAT inclusive price plus 1 plus BAT rate. And then number 7, A, 936 pesos. Number 8, B, 3,000 pesos. Number 9, C, 12%. Number 10, C, 50,400 pesos. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.